Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to be doing a comparison between the Xtreme Wetline Gel and the 𝗙𝗶𝗱 Gel.
So pretty much it's going to be an extreme comparison.
𝗙𝗶𝗱 Gel got cancelled and then a lot of people were returning to the Wetline Gel and it kind of became really popular. And people were raving about this gel, pretty much saying that it was way better than 𝗙𝗶𝗱 Gel. And I'm trying to find out, is it really?
I mean, the design of the bottle.
It looks better, yeah. They both have the max 10 hold. They have the same ingredients, basically. There's nothing really different about it.
Except that this one says it's extremely good gel. It says it on the container.
Let me see.
Extremely good gel.
Extremely good gel.
There you have it, man. I mean, they said it.
What?
So that's for sure. Like, you know,
wow.
Extremely good.
That's really weird. Okay. How much was that one again?
$5.99.
$5.99. That's Canadian dollars. Yep. Now everyone knows we're from Canada.
You're not really from Canada, but you can't be sure about that. At the end of the day, if we bought
something
Canada
from
in
Canada.
Dollars, you know what I mean?
We got it shipped to wherever we are.
We don't stay one place, you know what I mean? Like, we don't.
We're always traveling.
We don't do that. We don't do that stuff that you know, you guys be doing. We don't be doing that type of stuff. Canada.
I know. Who did what?
Canada.
I swear it's snowing in Canada right now.
Right?
Anyways.
It's snowing in April in Canada. Come on, man. Don't talk about Canada to me.
Nah, we ain't about that.
It's a see-through. You can't wear this in Canada.
Does that have alcohol? Because I know this one is alcohol-free.
Alcohol-free.
So they're both alcohol-free. It has no residue, alcohol-free, and has the UV filter. This one also has the UV filter and no residue or flakes, blah, blah, blah. So they seem pretty much the same.
Yep.
If you like generally look at it. We're going to see how it applies to our hair and the finishing product afterwards and see what the main difference is.
The reason why people canceled 𝗙𝗶𝗱 was because it had a certain chemical called
𝗙𝗶𝗱 something.
Yeah. That. Surprising thing is, they went to extreme gel, but it has the same chemical. So I mean,
yeah.
I don't know.
I don't think people are reading the ingredients, to be honest.
I mean, you know, just cancel this and go to the next one, like, you know, like bandwagon type thing. But anyway, people still use 𝗙𝗶𝗱 regardless, right?
I know. Still use both. I know. I still do. Hey, you do too.
I do braids now. I don't use gel.
That's true. So we're going to get started into the video. Basically how we're going to do this is he's going to be using Xtreme Gel on his whole hair. I'm going to be doing half of my hair with Xtreme Gel, half with 𝗙𝗶𝗱 Gel, so we can kind of compare and see how it works. He obviously can't really split his hair like that. We're being honest here.
Huh?
Can't split your hair like that. Like, that's weird. Like,
what do you mean,
how you gonna...
Speak
like,
for yourself. I can do what I want to do.
Really?
Like, what?
Yeah, but that's just weird, like, because then
I don't want to.
But then when you dry it,
I don't want to.
When you dry it, it's gonna be like that.
I can.
But you don't want to.
I don't want to.
That's his excuse. Okay. Alright, it's cool. Whatever floats your boat. Anyways, so let's get started into this video. Before we do, anybody who is not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button.
Payback for the last video.
What did I do in the last video?
You wet me up.
Oh yeah, everyone was like, yo, get this man a towel, he's drowning. I'm literally just gonna spray my hair.
Can I get a towel now or no? No towel?
No.
Things changed.
So I pretty much just drench my hair as much as I can. Because as everyone knows, that's how you get your natural curl pattern to come out.
What she said.
All those beautiful curls. I actually have leave-in conditioner in my hair, so I'm not gonna wet it too much just because I don't want all the leave-in to come out. So what side should I do this side on?
Extreme on the left side.
The curls are popping. Let's open it up. Ooh, it actually smells really good. It smells like candy.
Wow.
I didn't realize that. It smells like lime candy.
I know that's a good thing, but
why not? Smell.
It's chemicals.
It smells really good actually. The other one just smells like nothing. What I do is I basically just section off my hair. You guys already know what I do because I do it in all my other videos.
I mean, I don't really section off my hair. I mean, I could. But I'd rather just, you know.
Oh no. What is you doing? Look at mine. What?
Nothing.
It looks bad.
Doing it like how you do it now.
Oh, in sections.
Oh my gosh. Look at me.
Wow. I remember watching these other YouTubers, and they were saying how this gel just completely shocked them, and they're like, oh my gosh, this is so amazing in comparison to 𝗙𝗚𝘚 gel. And so far, it literally just feels like 𝗙𝗚𝘚 gel, no?
Yeah, so far.
Like,
it smells good, but...
It smells good, but it feels exactly like it.
So I'm not gonna lie to you, I don't usually do this.
Do what you normally do.
Yeah, because...
Yeah. Put some more water, to be honest. But, what do you normally do? Don't you just go like that?
Yeah. Well, I was trying to copy you because, you know, you're gonna act up.
No, I'm not acting up.
Just act like you're cooler than me or something.
No. It's not that at all.
No, you're trying to show off.
No, but look. Cool.
No, it's fine.
What?
It's fine, it's okay.
No! I don't know what I'm doing. Now I'm gonna do...
Your back is very curly, I can feel it. Your back is very curly, I can feel it.
This stuff is so big. Can you open this for me? My hands are wet. Oh, yours are too.
Let me just...
Hands are wet though.
I should have thought about this earlier.
Okay, so this side is 𝗙𝗚𝘚 gel.
I'm not gonna lie to you, I actually see a winner.
Really?
Well, it depends on what you want, I guess, right?
Okay, explain the difference, because I can't really see, to be honest.
I look at it. This is 𝗙𝗚𝘚, right? It seems to have looser curls. The curls are elongated.
Oh, it's true. Look,
and,
it's like longer.
Extreme
How
more
does
coiled. How does gel change?
How does gel change like the? Wait a second.
I guess just the hold.
Wow, you're so right. This one like curls my curls. This one curls my curls a lot more, so it shrinks it more. It makes it a little tighter. And like he said, this one's like a little looser. Interesting. I think it's both the same shine, to be honest. Definition-wise, they both give good definition. Feeling it, this feels so curly.
Yeah, right?
It feels, you know what it feels like? You know what it feels like? It feels like this, I used a Denman brush.
Oh. Let me feel.
You see how this one's just so much like go like this.
This one already feels like it's
fuller.
What's the word? What? You guys know the word I'm talking about.
I don't. What are you talking about?
It's like it's already freezing in place, I guess.
Really? Oh, that spring though.
Ooh. Oh, I hate that.
It gives a definition. I feel like it looks the same though.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it looks the same. I can't really see that well, but I'm pretty sure it looks pretty much the same. As for now, you know, just get a better look at mine.
It's not gonna be in focus though.
Oh.
Let me go focus it. Hold on.
Alright.
Here you go.
That's what y'all wanted, man. We here. Not gonna lie. Come on. Come on, why you gotta do that, man?
Whose curls are better?
Come on, man.
Okay, so
Get our teeth.
here are the results.
Can we smile together? I'm not even gonna front. I don't know why exactly, but for some reason, just like how my hair looks better with the extreme.
Right? I don't know if it's actually because it's just a new product.
Yeah, maybe just because it smells good, you know.
And it's new. But like,
I don't know. I like the hold.
Yeah.
And I don't know if you guys can probably look at my, for you guys who know my old stuff, old routines, you probably compare and look at how my hair is now versus back then.
It looks really good.
It's preference though. It's not like one's better than the other. It's just preference.
To be honest, they're pretty much the same.
Yeah,
like, I'm not even gonna front. Everybody, all the YouTubers out there who are like, oh my gosh, this is so much better than 𝗙𝗚𝘚 gel. I'm sorry, but they were just being so fake.
I mean, hey, maybe for
them. But
hey,
for their hair, maybe it worked.
You know, like,
or maybe it was a dramatic change.
I don't know, man.
But I'm telling you, they're pretty. I swear it could be like the same company rebranding themselves, putting the same ingredients, putting on the bottle. What does it say? What does it say again?
Extreme hold.
Extremely good gel. But legit, like,
okay.
I don't know. It came out really good. Like, this is a really good wash day for me.
On both sides, right?
On both sides, yeah. Let me split it in half and show you guys. Which one? See, look. This one is shorter.
Yeah,
this
you're
one's
right.
shorter. This one's longer.
So that one's
oh
more
my gosh,
coiled.
that's true. This one literally
So,
gives
yeah.
like a diamond brush effect.
So the extreme one is more coiled.
Yeah.
And more fluffy. That's why they like it so much, maybe.
Maybe.
Yeah, maybe that's why mine's a bit more, you know, defined.
Is there a preference? Which one would you choose?
I think it all depends on what you want, what you're going for. You know, if you have shorter hair, you want your hair to look longer, right? Instead of more coiled, probably go with the 𝗙𝗂𝘀𝘀𝘀𝘀
yeah.
But I mean, if you would like it to look more coiled, you know, if you can spare the length, like people like me and her,
Like
you have
long hair.
hair. I have long hair. Is
so long.
all you haters, you know, I haven't seen you guys in a while, but now my braids are out, you guys are gonna start talking. You know, saying, oh, his hair's not even that long. It's long.
So he could spare the length, you know what I mean?
Spare the length. She needs it a bit more than I do, but like at the end of the day, none of us need it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Why you?
No, like, yeah. So let us know in the comments if you've tried both of them and what your thoughts are on them, which one you liked better, or if you're going to try the extreme gel.
Oh, or if you guys have any other comparisons you'd like us to do.
Yeah.
We can do that, you know.
We can do an exit.
Not yet. I mean, listen, we don't pause it to talk. You guys aren't talking. Can we hear you talking?
Yeah, so let's
just... We don't hear you talking, so like, at the end of the day, let's just look at each other.
Why are you so serious? Like, what?
Because they're watching us. This is how you're looking at me, so I'm looking at you too.
Okay. Staring competition. Starting now. Oh, shoot, I blunk. Blunk. What? I said I blunk.
You said blunk.